From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So I've been working on this open source microphone project over at Group DIY, and I've been tweaking a whole bunch of them. I've been building them with different components, different capsules, different transformers, and trying different types of EQ because you can shape the EQ of the low end and the high end. That's the beauty of this project. So I've like 5 of them here. 5 of them that I've finished and I think are ready for evaluation. So let's just run through them real quick. All right, so this one, all right, we'll just call this number 1. So here we go. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Come down the shore and discover the Garden State's true charm. It's beautiful, fun, and yes, it smells way better than you think. Terrible read. There you go. That's number 1. We're going to hot plug everything too. All right, here we go. And this is number 2. Does this one feel a little darker to you? Feels a little darker. Oh, there's a different high-end EQ on this. All right, here we go. What I've been doing with this project is, just really trying to learn better what the different components do and how different components sound. Now, number 1 and number 2 have nearly identical capsules from 797 Audio, which were taken from other microphones. That sounds so savage, right? I'm taking it from another microphone, using it for this microphone. Sounds wrong. Sounds like a microphone rights violation. But it's just the way that DIY happens. It's not cannibalism. It's mining. You're mining for parts. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Come down the shore and discover the Garden State's true charm. It's beautiful, fun, and yes, it smells way better than you think. Slightly better read. So this is number 2. All right, let's move on. Yeah, no, I know. Hot plugging them is not necessarily the best thing. All right, so this one doesn't sound as loud. This one sounds like has a little less. I'll normalize all the volume, I guess. Or will I? Does it matter? I mean, all right, so this is number 3. As you can see, this one's in a smaller body. I have a 3 of these in the smaller U89 size style body. 3/4 size U87 body. But unlike the larger one, right? The larger one just is a larger body and a larger head basket, but they're shaped almost identically. I mean, really, they have the same chisel type of U87 chisel type head that you're used to. All right, here we go. Number 3. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Come down the shore and discover the Garden State's true charm. It's beautiful, fun, and yes, it smells way better than you think. All right, this is number 3. Let's go over number 4. Number 4, which of course has the number 2 on the back. Number 4. Calling number 4. These all had numbers too, but they fell off. Cheap numbers. So I get from buying numbers from Amazon. Don't buy your numbers from Amazon. Here we go. So this is number 4. Very similar sound. I feel like the bottom ends are very similar. I do feel like the larger mic body and the larger head basket does make a slightly larger sound. But what do you think? All right, here we go. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Come down the shore and discover the Garden State's true charm. It's beautiful, fun, and yes, it smells way better than you think. All right. So yeah, number 4. Do I have one more here? Oh, did I confuse the? No. Okay. All right. Here we go. Yeah. Don't hot plug your mics. It's okay. I'm a professional. So here we go. So this is number 5. I don't know. Something about this one. What's going on with this one? This one sounds different to me. All right. I'll have to look under the hood. But here's the thing. 3, 4, and 5, all the ones in the little body here. All these. Here, I'll hold them all up at once. Prove I have all 3. Look at that. All 3 of these have the same capsule. It's the same capsule, the same K87 that's in the Bifei. Actually, this is a Bifei capsule. These were mined from Bifei donor mics, because I think they make pretty good donor mics. All right, here we go. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Did I get horseshoe right? This summer, visit New Jersey. This summer, visit New Jersey. Enjoy stunning green water beaches, millions of horseshoe crabs everywhere, and scenic landfills. Come down the shore and discover the Garden State's true charm. It's beautiful, fun, and yes, it smells way better than you think. New Jersey. Yeah. All right. So this is number 5. Not really crazy about this one. I actually really don't like this one so far. But what do you think? Let's go back to number 1 just to. All right. So was this one number 1 or number 2? I lined them up wrong after I was done with them. Anyway. So, all right. So the ORS-87 open source microphone project over at groupdiy.com. I've been having a blast building mics and learning more about mics. So, all right. What do you think? How these 5 compare? So the 2 large ones have better quality capsules in them, right? 797 audio, better quality Chinese-made capsules. The little ones have what I would call generic quality capsules, and they sound better than I thought they would. And I think a lot of what we don't like about cheap microphone capsules has to do with the high end, and also with the circuit it's paired with. You know, most of the time, in a lot of mics, like in this one, in this Bifei V20. Is it V20? What is this? V10. It's only half as good as the V20. The V10, right? Something like that. It's got a flat circuit with a K87 style capsule. It's going to sound too bright. Not a lot of mid-range. But here we are using the correct capsule for the correct circuit. So we are getting a nicer mid-range. We're getting a smoother top end. And the low end, I like that. All right. So again, what do you think? I would love to hear your opinion. Do you have a favorite amongst these 5, or should they all be taken out back and buried in a pit? I want to know. All right. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, Fading to Black.